My name is Christian Penaloza. I'm originally from California, and I'm a first-year seminary student. Throughout my time in ministry, after I graduated from the Master's College with a degree in Biblical Counseling, I've had the privilege of being able to counsel youth all across America. I saw a huge need for biblical truth. I saw a lot of unchurched kids that needed to hear the gospel, and that grew my heart for ministry. That has led me to the Master's Seminary, and I'm so thankful to be here, to be trained under the tutelage of the godly men who know God's word, who are able to cut it directly, to be able to passionately present it. And I pray that in my time here and my time afterwards, that the Lord would use what I have learned here to be able to instill into the youth of America, to continue to counsel biblically, to preach accurately, to be able to communicate God's word clearly and continue that work of the ministry. So thank you to all those who have donated to make it possible for men like me to train here at the Master's Seminary.